Af- After seeing the rules in order to reduce the block diagram, we will start with the problems. Okay, first problem is calculate the transfer function of the given block diagram. Okay, first here they are given the problem, that is calculate the transfer function of the given block diagram. What we have to calculate? We have to calculate the transfer function, that is output by input, that is C by R. Okay, here they will given the one summing point, second summing point with having both positive negative, G1, G4, G2, G3, H1 and H2. Okay, now we will go through step by step by using the rules of reduction of block diagram. Okay, in the block diagram reduction rules, we have seen that if the two blocks are in series, means if two blocks are in series, we can replace that blocks by a single blocks which is having a gain which is multiply of these two. Okay, so what will we have, and the remaining all other remaining part we have to keep as it is. Okay, see, same this one, same we have to keep as it is, same this one will having negative and this one will have a positive here, and this one is H1 as it is, here will be H2 as it is. Okay, if two blocks are in series, so what we have to do is we have to replace by one block, that is if series are there, their gain will be multiplication of these two. Okay, and here will be a takeoff point. Okay, see next this one, see these two are parallel because it is going from here to here. Okay, not is coming from here to here, ಅಂದ್ರೇನು ಇವೆರಡು ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ಸು ದೇ ಆರ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ G2 and G3 ಏನದಾವ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಅದಾವ. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಟೂ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ what we have to do, we have to add or subtract based on the given sign. Here both the given having a ಎರಡು ಏನು ಸೈನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ್ರಿ, ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ದೀಸ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ಬೈ ಎ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ which is having G2, what is the sign, G2 both are plus, so what is the sign, G2 plus G3 will be there. Okay, draw as it is, ಮುಂದೆ ಏನದ ಅದನ್ನು ಹಂಗೆ ಇಡ್ರಿ, see that. Okay, ಇದೇನಂದ ಇವೆರಡು ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಅದಾವ, ಸೊ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಇವೆರಡು ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಅದಾವ, ಸೊ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ G2 plus G3, ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ G1 into G4 ನಮ್ದು ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂತು. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ನಾವು, ಸಿ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್, ಇದು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತದ್ರಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ, ಇದು ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ಟಿಂದ ಹೋಗೈತಿ, ಇದಿಷ್ಟೇ ನೋಡಿದ್ರು ಏನು ವಾಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ, ಇದು ಮೈನರ್ ಫೀಡ್ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಲೋ. ಓಕೆ, ಬೈ ಸೀಯಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಮೈನರ್ ಫೀಡ್ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಲೋ. ಸೊ ಮೈನರ್ ಫೀಡ್ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಲೂಪ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು, ಇದು G ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ 1 minus G into H, that is G ಇದು H. Okay, in place of G we have to put G1 G4, in place of H we have to put H1. So we have to replace this minor block, we have to replace this minor block by a single block having a gain, that is G divided by 1 minus G into H. Okay, keep as it is, ಈ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಹಾಗೆ ಇಡ್ರಿ, ಇದು ಹಿಂದಿಂದ ಏನದ ಹಾಗೆ ಇಡ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ಇದನ್ನು ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ G ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 1 minus GH. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ G? G1 into G4 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 1 minus ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅದಂಥೇಳಿ ನಾವು ಮೈನಸ್ ತೊಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ತೊಗೋತಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್, G1 into G4 divided by G into H. What is G? G1 G4 H. G2 plus G3 as it is. ಇದನ್ನಷ್ಟೇ ಮಿನಿಮೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಕತ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಉಳ್ಕಿದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಕಂಪೋನೆಂಟ್ಸು ಸೇಮ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಇದನ್ನು ಸೇಮ್ H2 ಅದ, ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನು ಕೀಪ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್, ಕೀಪ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್. ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್, ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಆರ್. ಯಾವ ಕಂಪೋನೆಂಟ್ಸು ಯಾವ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ನೀವು ಮಿನಿಮೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಾಕತ್ತೀರಿ ಅವು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಮಿನಿಮೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಉಳ್ಕಿದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕೀಪ್. ಓಕೆ, see the next. Okay, by seeing this block diagram, how these two are in series. Series means what we have to do, we have to multiply. Same ಇನ್ನಿಷ್ಟೇ ಮಿನಿಮೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಾಕತ್ತೀವಿ ರೀ, ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ಹಾಗೆ ಇಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ what is that? These two are in series means we have to multiply these two. So what is that? We will have a one component which is multiplication of these two components, that is G1 into G4 into G2 plus G3 divided by 1 minus G1 G4 H1. Okay, ಇವೆರಡು ಕೂಡಿ ಒಂದ ಕಂಪೋನೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿವಿ, ಸೊ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರಿಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್. Okay, see next one, H2 as it is. Okay, this one is C, this one is R. Okay, yes. ಈಗ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, by seeing this one what it will see, a minor feedback. Okay, see ಹಿಂಗಿಂತ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ಟಿಂದ ಒಂದು ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಲೂಪ್ ಹೋಗ್ಯದ, ಒಂದು ಸೇಮ್ ಮೇನ್ ಲೂಪ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಲುಕಿಂಗ್ ಲೈಕ್ ವಾಟ್, a minor path. So how we can replace this whole path by a single component which is having G divided by 1 plus GH. 1 plus ಯಾಕ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಸೊ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದೆ ಸಂಬಂಧ ನಾವು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ತೊಗೋಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲ ಈ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ನಾಗ ಜಿ ಯಾವುದು, ಇದು ಹೋಲ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮದು ಜಿ. ಸೊ that is our transfer function, that is C by R G divided by 1 plus GH. What is G here? So transfer function is given by what is G? G1 G4 into G2 plus G3 divided by 1 minus G1 G4 H1. This is our G divided by 1 plus G into H. What is G? G1 G4 into G2 plus G3 divided by 1 minus G1 G4 H1. What is our H? Here it is H2. G divided by 1 plus G into H. Okay, see, you further simplify, that is G1 G4 into G2 plus G3 divided by 1 will be there, that is 1 minus G1 G4 H1. You take LCM of this one, that is 1 minus G1 G4 H1 into H1 LCM plus G1 G4 H2 into G2 plus G3 whole divided by 1 minus G1 G4 H1. This one. Okay, this will cancel, this will cancel. So what will remains is G1 G4 G2 plus G3 divided by 1 minus G1 G4 H1 plus G1 G4 H2 into G2 plus G3. This is our transfer function of given block diagram. It will take some time to recall, but this is a method.